Hey everyone, we're continuing in a series about how Pointivo is revolutionizing the telecom industry. And today we're going to be talking about how tower owners are using Pointivo for lease compliance and planning. Jacob Garland here, Chief Technology Officer at Pointivo. For those that aren't familiar with the telecom industry, tower owners lease space on their towers. It's kind of like an apartment complex. They have rooms to rent, there's a lease signed, and then someone moves into the apartment. Now, imagine if that tenant moved in and let's say they left their couch in the hallway, or maybe they ignored the no pets policy and decided to get a big dog or something. I love dogs. Tower owners, like an apartment complex, experience some of the same kinds of challenges around customers sharing an asset like a cell tower. Contractors for the mobile network operators might install equipment at the wrong elevation, or maybe some part of the mount system or cabling is encroaching on another carrier below. Or maybe at some point the carrier decides to add or upgrade equipment that's heavier and it increases the overall structural load of the tower. This obviously represents a liability for tower owners, and it happens more often than you might think. If left unmonitored, it could also create a very dangerous situation. It also represents lost revenue for the tower owner. I mean, if something on the tower is preventing another carrier from installing in an otherwise leasable location, you're losing money. But when you're talking about thousands of cell sites spread out over huge distances, it's really hard to identify these kinds of issues, much less to regulate it. And this isn't just a problem in the US. In Latin America, we've seen a difference of as much as 60% between what's installed on a tower versus what's leased to be there. So like I said, it's a bigger problem than most people realize. Pointivo offers tower owners automated solutions for lease compliance. We capture high-resolution imagery of the tower using automated drone flights, and then our automated tower equipment detection identifies the precise location, the quantity, the manufacturer, and the model of all of the installed equipment on the tower. And then this is compared to the expected location and quantity of equipment that's defined in a contract. The system can then identify any potential mismatches between the expected, or what's in the contract, versus what's actually installed on the tower. And this is not just about who is currently occupying space on the tower. Pointivo can also provide valuable information about leasable space on a tower. What elevation ranges on the tower are considered leasable right now? This is really important information to maximize the revenue potential for existing towers. It makes answering site acquisition questions for new customer deployments super easy. So, as you can see, tower owners are using digital twins and Pointivo's automated analytics to not only reconcile their own customer contracts, they're also using this valuable digital twin data to find new revenue opportunities across their entire portfolio of towers. Until next time, for Pointivo, I'm Jacob Garland. Onward and upward. Hope you have an amazing day.